What is up guys, it's me Dev. Welcome back from the Techipedia. So today in this video I'll be doing the unboxing of the MiBox 4K. As you can see, it's a 4K Ultra HD streaming player that converts any normal TV into a smart TV. It launched recently with other Xiaomi products, and I booked it as soon as the restrictions got lifted. And with that being said, it's now in my hand. It's priced at around 3499 and is listed in Flipkart and Me.com and also in stores. With the spec sheet it comes with a Cortex A53 quad-core CPU, Mali 450 GPU, 2GB of DDR3 RAM and 8GB of onboard storage, which can be extended, I guess, the USB port that it comes with. It comes with the HDR10 support, 4K support and Dolby audio. And with that, we'll be checking out what things we get. We get the MiBox as usual and guide tool. We'll keep aside the guide and we'll check what things we get. We get a remote, a stylish looking remote, a power adapter and a HDMI cable. So with that, the remote is kind of the Mi Smart TV remote that you get with the Mi Smart TVs, and that is it. You don't get anything extra in that box. Let's check out the things that we get. So the remote for the MiBox, it's come with a black shade Mi logo, as you can spot, and it comes with 3.5mm port, HDMI port and a USB port. Also, as you can see in the remote, you can voice control the remote. It's very sleek and quite minimal. It has a Prime Video and a Netflix button. Also, it doesn't come with batteries, so unlike Amazon Fire Stick, so you have to get those batteries. Once you do that, you have to connect the power adapter. As you can see, the red light blinking behind, and you have to just connect the HDMI port in one of the MiBox and connect one of the HDMI port to your TV. As you can see, the white light, that means your MiBox is booted. It's not portable that great, but then you have to look closer to get that. So I'll just fast forward the setup. As you go to your HDMI, just connect your remote, then use your mobile phone to connect your smart TV. Once you do that, just verify things and stuff, so sign in over there. Also choose your language and country. Once you do that, connect to your Wi-Fi. That's quite easy, and once you do that, it's done. And the first thing that once you boot up, you'll get is a update that takes the Android 8.0 to the Android 9.0. I hope you like this video. Share this video with your friend. I hope to see you in my next one.